Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Friday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So, my dear friends, we got to see some crazy amount of upside yesterday during the US session. We were hoping for an upside till 2350. I personally exited at 2350, 2349. Okay, to be exact. Okay. But when gold broke 2350, okay, I was a little bit surprised. Okay. But buying pressure was very high. Okay. I had the urge to take a buy again, but I did not want to risk my profit. So I did not enter again. But ultimately, gold made a high of 2366. The FIBO we discussed, remember? Okay. And gold was so bullish at one point I thought that our FIBO would not work and market would break the FIBO as well. But yes, the market reversed from 2366. Gold showed some retracement and we can see right now that gold is going up again. So gold is bullish. Okay, so my dear friends, if you have any buy on gold right now, be on the buy, hold your buy position. Okay, because we can expect further upside. For the last few days, okay, for the last few days, gold was sideways. The direction was not clear, but yesterday's up move made it very clear that gold is bullish. Remember, I mentioned about a buy position few days ago that I took around 2297. Okay, I'm still holding my buy. I was not very confident. Okay, to be honest, I was not very confident, so I took a lot size of 0.1 only. But still, okay, it is doing pretty well, and I'm planning to exit around 2390, Okay, I think goal is heading towards 2400. Okay, so if you're also holding a buy, you can be on the trade because overall the market sentiment is bullish for gold. So you can see gold set for a second weekly gain. Gold held steady around 2360 per ounce on Friday, hovering at its highest level in 2 weeks and set to post a second weekly gain as weak US economic data reinforce anticipations that the Federal Reserve might lower interest rates this year. Okay. And if we look at the economic calendar, we can see that today we have a long list of events, especially Euro USD and GBP USD lovers. Okay, you need to be careful. Try not to trade today. Okay, because there will be too much volatility. You may blow your account or your stop loss may get hit. And gold lovers, okay, gold lovers, you also need to be careful because today is Friday. For the last few months, okay, we have been witnessing unexpected volatility, okay, during the US session on Friday, and we can see today we have a news also, so please be careful. Otherwise, your Friday will become a Friday, or it will fry your account. Okay, so let's understand the market or discuss the levels one by one. So right now market is standing around 2362. This is the current market price. And as we all know, in this type of market situation, okay, buy at retracement is the best trading strategy or safe trading strategy. Okay, but already market has shown retracement, market has gone up again. So let's wait and watch whether market shows retracement or not, especially before the US session. After US session, anything may happen. Okay, so if market comes to 2350, okay, we can look for a buy because the previous resistance will be working as support. Then we also have a good support around 2346 to 2342. You can see the green line, the black line here. Okay, these are all support levels. How we have derived, okay, you can see if we go for FIBO from the lowest point, then we have the FIBO 0.236 around 2346. If we change the low also, then you can see we have FIBO 38.2 around 2342. So if we change the starting point also, we have a good amount of support around 2342, 2346. So this is a support zone. As the market is volatile, we can definitely expect that under normal circumstances, gold should take support and bounce around from this area. If gold doesn't come to 2342, then we can expect 2350 or around 2350 to provide support to the market. But after US session, especially right after news, if you see a big red candle, okay, do not go with the reversal trades. You need to follow the trend of the market. After all, it is our hard-earned money. You cannot trade blindly. You cannot gamble with it. Okay, so take the decision according to the market situation. We are traders, retail traders. We should know when to go with the fundamentals, when to go with the technicals. Before US session, we can go with the technicals because the right now market sentiment is bullish. But after US session, because of the news, if the market sentiment changes, obviously you need to follow the sentiment set by the news, the fundamental. Okay, so these are the two levels where we can look for a buy if market comes for retracement, and sometimes market doesn't come for retracement. In that case, we can look for a buy at breakout above 2366. Okay, 2366 is a buy at breakout. But one thing I would like to mention here is that okay, you can already see market is standing at the top right now. So in this type of scenario, okay, sometimes we see that after going up, okay, market comes down again. So after 30-40 pips, okay, there is a possibility of market coming down around 2369, 2370 area. So do not go for a big buy position. After the US session, if you see market is bullish again just like yesterday, then you can consider it as a pure breakout and you can continue with your buy or be on the buyer side. But on the Asian session, we can see there is no volume. In the European session, if the volume is very less, then obviously you cannot expect big green candles because for a breakout or breakdown, volume is very crucial. So here volume will play an important role. If you see a breakout before the US session, be careful with your buy above 2366. After US session, if you see big green candles, go with it. Okay. So let's wait and watch how does the market react. Again, I'm repeating, today is Friday. So Friday may fry your account. So please do not make a mistake. And by the US session, if market drops with big red candle or if we see a heavy selling pressure, then you can look for support around the moving averages, especially around the 100 moving average, which is 2330. Okay. And okay, no. Let's wait for the weekly closing. Okay. And my friends, from today onwards, the Hindi workshop is starting. You must be knowing. Okay, thank you so much for all the love and support. Okay. The English workshop is starting from the upcoming Friday, but Hindi workshop is starting from today. So, okay, no registration for Hindi workshop anymore. If you want to participate, if you have missed the opportunity, then okay, you need to wait for 3 months. Okay, maybe after 3-4 months, I will be conducting a workshop again. And yesterday we had a very fruitful live session on Instagram. Okay, if you are not following me on Instagram, okay, you can follow. Okay, this is my real ID. You'll find a link in the description. If you just search on Instagram, there may be some scammers. Okay, so please, okay, follow the profile with the blue tick. Okay. So thank you so much, my dear friends. Be careful. Okay, Friday. Okay, before Fridays were not very dangerous, but these days, okay, Monday mornings and Friday evenings are really unpredictable. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care and follow proper risk management. See you tomorrow.